Children, this is Shubhalsu speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 10.1 chapter mensuration. We are almost at the end of this chapter, and we are going to deal with some very important questions in this particular video. That is question number 13 and question number 14. So children, these two questions are quite similar to each other, and this kind of questions are there in the higher classes in 8, 9 and 10. So these questions needs to be understood very nicely. So let's have a look. Question number 13. Children, the first, in the question number 13 is given that find the cost of fencing a square park. The sides are measuring. There is a one square park. The sides are measuring 250 meter. It's a square park in which there are all four sides are of equal measure. And the measure of each sides are 250 meter. 250 meter, 250 meter, 250 meter, and 250 meter. So children, now what we have to do, we have to give a fencing around this square park. So in which the measures of each sides are given, that is 250 meter. And we are going to find the perimeter of this figure. And the cost of fencing the garden is rupees 20 per meter. What will be the total cost of giving fencing around it? So whenever we're talking about fencing, boundary, that means we're actually dealing with perimeter. So let us find the perimeter of this figure first. So perimeter of square garden is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into the measure of each sides are 250 meter. So 4 into 250 means 4 into 0, 1000 meter. 4 into 250 is 1000 meter. 1000 meter is the perimeter of this garden. The perimeter of this square garden is 1000 meter. Now, what we'll have to find, children? We'll find the total cost of fencing around this garden. As we all know that the cost of 1 meter fencing is rupees 20. So what will be the cost of 1000 meter? So we'll write, the total cost of fencing around the garden is equal to 1000 into 20. Why 1020? Because rupees 20 for 1 meter. So for 1000 meter, it will be 1000 into 20. So we are finding the product of 1020. It will be 20,000. So 20,000 rupees is the total cost of fencing around this square garden. I believe it's clear to everyone. So children, this was the concept of question number 13. Now let us deal with the next question, question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter length and the breadth is 125 meter. And the fencing is the cost of at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So there is one rectangular park. The length of this rectangular park is 175 meter. And the breadth is 125 meter. So again, children, they're talking about the fencing. Means we have to find the perimeter of this rectangular park. And the cost of fencing is rupees 12. Rupees 12 per meter. So our first prior job is to find the perimeter of this figure. So we'll find the perimeter of the garden. The perimeter of the garden is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here I'll write 2 into length means 175. Breadth is 125. So 2 into 175 plus 125 is 300. So 2 into 300 is 600 meter. This is the perimeter of this rectangular garden. Now the cost of 1 meter fencing is rupees 12. So the total cost of fencing around this rectangular park will be, therefore the total cost of fencing around the park is equal to 600 into 12. So 600 to 12 is 7,200 rupees. The final answer is 7,200 rupees. So children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. I strongly believe that these two questions are these were very easy to understand. If there is any still having any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me and drop your queries in the comment section. Till then, thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you everyone.